Hey everybody, let's talk about how to use WhatsApp per chat storage cleaner. So to use WhatsApp per chat storage cleaner, open your WhatsApp and tap on the profile tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to storage and data. Then tap on manage storage. Now scroll down to the chat section. You will see a list of your contacts and group chats ordered by the amount of data they consume. Tap the specific chat from the list that you want to clean. Now once inside the chat storage view, you can tap the sort icon to arrange files by newest, oldest or largest. Now to delete specific items, tap and hold the file or tap select in the top right corner. Now to delete item, tap and hold a file or just tap select in the top right corner to check multiple items. To delete everything in that chat at once, choose select all and then tap trash icon at the bottom. Choose whether you want to delete normal items or if you also want to delete starred messages and any duplicate copies saved on your device. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.